How to download and install IPVanish for macOS. To get started using IPVanish for macOS, you need to download and install IPVanish for macOS. After you have finished installing IPVanish on your Mac, you will be ready to connect to our VPN servers for the first time. Watch the videos below to help you get started encrypting your internet traffic and protecting your online privacy. How to use IPVanish for macOS. After you have installed IPVanish using the step-by-step walkthrough guide below, have a look at our detailed macOS user guide to learn how to use our app and take advantage of all of its great features. Step-by-step install guide. This tutorial will guide you through the process of installing the IPVanish app on a macOS computer. 1. Download the IPVanish macOS client by visiting our website and clicking on Apps Mac Download Now as shown below, or you can download the IPVanish for macOS app at https://www.ipvanish.com/software/osx/ipvanish.dmg _GA equals 2.2642517273.1.1600341.16000436925-169478310415981764339. 2. Open the downloaded app from Downloads folder. 3. Drag the IPVanish VPN app icon to the Applications folder to install IPVanish on your device. 4. Log into the app with your registered IPVanish username and password. While running the Mac client for the first time, you will be prompted to enter your Mac system password to allow IPVanish to install its helper component. 5. Once you have logged into the app, you can either click on the Begin Tutorial button to continue. Reading our tutorial or click on Skip to begin using the app. 6. Next, you will be redirected to the user interface of the IPVanish app as shown below. To connect to the VPN, select your preferred country, city, and server and click Connect button. 7. The green On button on the right side of the app confirms that you are connected to the VPN. Your download and upload speeds and volume will be displayed as green and white graphs. If you need further assistance or have any questions, please contact IPVanish support team.